How to change your username on X. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can change your username on X. So let's dive in. First, open your X app and then you have to click your profile icon on the top left corner and scroll down in the list and choose the settings and support option and then click settings and privacy in the sub menu. And now on this page you have to click your account on the top. And here you have to click account information. And it's going to bring you to this page and you have to choose this username. And here you can see this is your current username and you can enter the new one over here. And here you can see it gives you this pop-up. You have to click continue and then just put in your new username over here. And once done, click done on the top right corner and you're good to go. And that's how you change your username on X. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.